morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Minneapolis. The local time here is approximately 11:51. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping all luggage stowed until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign and the aircraft is parked securely at the gate. Please use caution when opening overhead bins, as items may have moved about during our flight and landing. You may now use your mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop computers may not be used at this time. Before you leave the aircraft, be sure to double check the seat pocket in front of you, the overhead compartments, and the floor area around your seat for any items you brought on board with you today. We do apologize for our late arrival. This morning, we're about 5 minutes late. If Minneapolis is your final